Hello, my name is Eran Bineth, and I'm the founder of cyberplace.org. Unlike many online platforms that skim the surface and fail to crack the complexity of cybersecurity, cyberplace.org leverages more than 15 years of teaching cybersecurity to blend deep theory with hands-on applications and fully prepare you for your exams and technical interviews towards a rewarding cybersecurity career. Visitors are invited to take advantage of the website's high-grade self-assessments, numerous challenges, and the rich curriculum across our four core building blocks: network communication, cybersecurity programming, operating systems, and web attacks. Each building block is delivered through four comprehensive learning tracks: dynamic video presentations, a digital textbook with recorded audio, an interactive online course featuring thousands of multiple choice questions, and a progress bar to track your growing skill. Thank you for listening and for making cyberplace.org your cybersecurity platform of choice.